ready to supercharge your Leonardo creations with the power of Nano Banana. First, ensure you have both a Leonardo.AI account and Nano Banana installed and set up on your system. If you don't, pause this video and get that sorted. Links are in the description. Now, within Leonardo.AI, navigate to the settings and locate the API access section. Copy your unique API key, you'll need this shortly. Next, open Nano Banana and find the Leonardo.AI integration settings. You may need to enable the integration first, if it isn't already. Paste your Leonardo.AI API key into the designated field in Nano Banana and save the changes. This connects the two platforms. Craft your image generation prompt in Nano Banana, leveraging its advanced features, such as prompt weighting or negative prompting, to fine-tune your desired outcome. Configure your generation settings within Nano Banana. Choose your desired Leonardo.AI model, resolution, and other parameters like guidance scale and sampling method. Remember, these influence the style and quality of your image. Hit the Generate button in Nano Banana and watch as it communicates with Leonardo.AI to bring your vision to life. The generated image will appear in Nano Banana, and simultaneously, it will also be accessible within your Leonardo.AI Personal Creations gallery, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate it into your projects. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Nano Banana with Leonardo.AI, opening up a world of enhanced creative possibilities.